It's been, I think, a couple hours now, and I've been in here a couple times and stirred up the coals. Well, still got coals there, but it's just about to the point where I feel comfortable putting it down in the pan. Yeah, I think I can do that. Then, oh yeah, I can fill stuff up the chimney with the poker. So the idea here is I want to get all this hot stuff down in that pan and maybe taken outside, because I saved the ashes to supplement the nutrients in the garden. Okay, so I'm gonna let that work for a little while longer while I watch the rest of my PureFlix movie. There, and pull that cap off and clean that chimney out. Let's see. Hope that is nice. Nope. Looks like it's pretty good. I should be able to do this with my tennis shoes on. I just have to go get the cleaning equipment, and then we'll get up there on the roof. Well, I'm trying to decide how I'm going to shoot this. Here's my camera holder for my head, and this is the one that goes around my chest. The trouble with the one for my head is that I move my head a lot, so it's kind of jerky, but I think we're going to use that one because then you can see me looking down the chimney and stuff like that. So we'll give that one a shot. Alright, well, we'll give this a shot. I had to get my do-rag, keep my head a little bit warm. So here's my brushes and my fiberglass rods. I'd like to be able to do this without getting up and down too many times. You know, I hear all these stories where old people aren't supposed to be climbing ladders. Thank God I'm not old yet, only 74. But I'm working on it. All right. This roof isn't very steep, but it feels steep to me. Wow, look at that. There's stuff that came out of the chimney. I don't know how this is shooting, but boy, you can sure see that stuff. All right, so I'm going to set this down here for now, and then we'll pull this cap off. Okay, it's a dirty cap. You can see there. So that chimney is going to look like that, I'm sure, all the way down. Wow, look at that stuff. just going to dump this over the side for now. Well, the stove will surely breathe a lot better when I get this cleaned up. All right. Now, I'll get up here high. Hope some of this shows. Look down that chimney. She's dirty. Oh, I'm not used to seeing it that dirty. So this just screws together. It doesn't take very long. The longest part of it is just screwing the different rods together. For some reason it seems like I'm really not very coordinated today. Huh. That's funny. It shut off on me. Hopefully it was working. One more rod. All right, that's all the way down at the stove now. There we go. Okay, we got it out now. I'll take the rods apart down on the ground. It almost looks like it's slippery, but it's not. Just got a little snowflakes on top of it. Okay. Let's put my hat back on here. This is how I take pictures in the airplane. And except in the airplane, my head's probably moving around a lot more. Oops, there goes my box. I'm just going to toss that down. If I'm holding that in my hands while I'm walking down, it's more dangerous for me. Okay. So there's a light. Let's see how it looks. Wow. That's what we had. Okay, so now we'll clean that up and start us a fire. Stay warm. So hey, thanks for watching. Please hit the like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it. Thank you much. Bye for now. Least I forget. God bless. It's getting started. All right, that's good for now. See you later.